வாங்கண்ணே, எப்பண்ணே வந்தீங்க?
Welcome, brother. When did you arrive? Hello, brother. When did you get here? Arrive. Reach. Come.
இப்பதாம்மா வந்தேன்.
Just came now. I just arrived now. Now. Currently. Presently.
வீட்ல எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருக்காங்களாண்ணே?
Is everyone at home doing well, brother? Is everything fine at home, brother? Everything. All things. All items.
எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருக்காங்கம்மா.
Everyone is doing well. Yes, everyone is doing fine. Everyone. Everybody. All people.
கௌரி எங்கம்மா?
Where is Gauri? Where can I find Gauri? Find. Locate. Discover.
அவ ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஒருத்தி அமெரிக்கால இருந்து வரா. அவளை ரிசீவ் பண்றதுக்காக ஏர்போர்ட் வரைக்கும் போயிருக்கா.
A friend of hers is coming from America. She has gone to the airport to receive her. Her friend is flying in from America, so she went to the airport to pick her up. Receive. Accept. Get.
அப்புறம் என்ன விஷயமா வந்த?
So, what brings you here? So, what made you come here today? Bring. Carry. Deliver.
என் தம்பி முத்து கல்யாண விஷயமா பேசலான்னு தான்.
It was regarding my brother's marriage proposal. It's about my younger brother's marriage proposal. Regarding. Concerning. About.
ஏதாவது பண உதவி வேணுமா?
Do you need any financial help? Are you looking for any money assistance? Need. Require. Want.
என்னப்பா, என் தம்பிக்கும் உன் பொண்ணுக்கும் கல்யாணம் பண்றதா ஏற்கனவே பேசியிருக்கோம்ல.
What is this, man? We had already discussed marrying my brother to your daughter, hadn't we? What's this now? We already talked about getting my brother married to your daughter, didn't we? Discussed. Talked about. Debated.
உன் தம்பி என்ன பண்றான்?
What does your brother do? What job does your brother have? Job. Work. Occupation.
ஹோட்டல்ல சமையல் வேலை பார்க்கறான்.
He works as a cook in a hotel. He works as a hotel cook. Cook. Chef. Kitchen worker.
என்ன சம்பளம்?
What is his salary? How much does he earn? Salary. Wages. Pay.
மாசம் 250 ரூபாய்.
250 rupees a month. He earns 250 rupees per month. Earn. Make. Obtain.
துண்டை கொடு. குடுறாத.
Give me that towel. Give it, man. Hand me that towel. Come on, give it. Come on. Hurry up. Move quickly.
கண்ணாடி காட்டு. போடு. போடுறா.
Take off your glasses. Put it on. Put it on, man. Take off your glasses. Wear these. Put them on. Take off. Remove. Pull off.
எப்படி இருக்கு?
How does it look? How does this seem to you? Look. Appear. Seem.
நல்லா இல்லைங்க.
ஏன்?
It's not good. Why? It doesn't look right. Why not? Not good. Bad. Poor.
கோட்டு சுட்டு போட்டவரு துண்டு போட்டிருக்காரு, தோட்டத்துக்காரரு கண்ணாடி போட்டிருக்காரு. பொருத்தமாவே இல்லைங்க.
The man in the coat suit is wearing a towel. The gardener is wearing sunglasses. It doesn't match at all. A man in a suit wearing a towel and a gardener wearing sunglasses, nothing fits together. Wearing. Dressed in. Putting on.
உன் தம்பிக்கும் என் பொண்ணுக்கும் கல்யாணம் நடந்தா இப்படிதான் இருக்கும்.
If a marriage happens between your brother and my daughter, it will look exactly like this. If a marriage takes place between your brother and my daughter, this is exactly how mismatched it will appear. Marriage. Wedding. Union.
கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி என் வீட்டு வேலைக்காரன் உனக்கு கூல் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் கொடுக்கறதுக்கே யோசிச்சான்.
A few moments ago, my servant hesitated to even serve you a cool drink. My servant didn't even feel comfortable offering you a simple drink a few minutes ago. Servant. Helper. House worker.
அப்படி இருக்கும்போது உன் வீட்ல என் பொண்ணை எப்படி நான் கொடுக்கறது?
When that is the case, how can I give my daughter to your household? If that's the situation, how can I let my daughter marry into your family? Situation. Condition. Circumstance.
இத பார், ஆரம்பத்துல நீ நிறைய பண உதவி செஞ்சிருக்க, நான் இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல.
Look here. In the beginning, you helped me financially quite a lot. I'm not denying it. Listen, you supported me financially in the early days. I won't deny that. Quite a lot. Many. Numerous.
அதுக்கு வேணா வட்டியை முதல்ல சேர்த்து வாங்கிக்க.
If you want, take that money back with principal and interest. If you want, you can take back your money with interest. Principal and interest. Main amount plus profit. Capital plus return.
அதை விட்டுட்டு இப்படி சம்பந்தங்க வந்து பேசி இந்த வீட்டுக்கு வராத.
Leaving that aside, don't come to this house talking about alliances or relationships. But apart from that, don't come here asking about marriage or any ties between our families. Don't come. Stay away. Do not arrive.
உள்ள பார்ட்டி நடக்குது, எனக்கு நிறைய வேலை இருக்கு.
There is a party going on inside. I have a lot of work. Since you are here anyway, eat something and leave. There's a party happening inside, and I'm busy. Since you are already here, eat something and then go. Since. Because. As.
வந்தது வந்த, சாப்பிட்டு போ.
Since you are here anyway, eat something and leave. Since you are already here, eat something and then go. Leave. Go. Depart.
ஒரு நிமிஷம். நீங்க என் பழைய சிநேகிதன் சுந்தரமா இருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைச்சு வந்தேன்.
1 minute. I came here thinking you would be my old friend, Sundaram. Just a moment. I came here believing you were still my old friend, Sundaram. Thinking. Considering. Imagining.
இப்படி பணக்கார சுந்தரமா மாறி இருப்பீங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருந்தா நான் இந்த பக்கமே வந்திருக்க மாட்டேன்.
Had I known you had changed into this rich man, Sundaram, I wouldn't have come this side at all. If I had known you had turned into this rich Sundaram, I wouldn't have come here at all. Rich man. Wealthy man. Affluent man.
எனக்கு உங்க பண உதவியெல்லாம் வேண்டாங்க.
I don't want your financial help. I have no need for your money. Financial help. Money support. Monetary assistance.
எப்படியோ சாப்பிட்டு போன்னு சொன்னீங்க பாருங்க, அதுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க. வரேங்க.
Anyhow, you asked me to eat before I leave. For that, thank you very much. I am leaving. Anyway, you told me to eat before leaving, so thank you for that. Goodbye. Thank you. Thanks. Much appreciated.